This is the LED light for the display case. Here you have two brackets to hold the LED tube, and you have one for the down tube cover. Of course, you see this is the LED post, and this is the down tube. And the down tube will cover the wire, and this is your power supply. Here we have the extrusion for the showcase. This is the top view, and this is the side view. As you can see, we've already mounted two of the brackets, and now we're going to show you how to install the brackets into the extrusion. As you can see, the bracket has 3 lug nuts and a screw. And what we're going to do is we're going to remove the top washer. And then now we're going to insert the screw into the extrusion. Once you have the screw into the extrusion, you then tie in the bolts. And once you have it tightened up, you will then insert the bracket and then tighten up the third bolt into the screw, and it should look like this. And then repeat the same setup on the other side. Okay, we are then going to insert the light tube into the bracket. And then you install the aluminum extrusion in the showcase, and now you have the LED light inside the showcase. You can also adjust it as well. Alright, so at the end of it you would see, oh, a little accident, you would see that there's an end cap here that will need to be removed. Okay, so go ahead and remove the end cap. You could also remove this before you mount it inside the aluminum track. I'm sorry, I mean the extrusion. As you can see here. And also, if you look inside, you would see where the power supply will go in. Right there. Okay, we will need to drill a hole in the base of the showcase for the down tube that's going to cover the wire, and you want to measure 1 inch away from the glass and 1 inch away from the side panel. And using a 1/2 inch drill bit, as you can see here, you would go ahead and drill your hole. We've already done this one, but you get the idea. Okay, now you'll need to drill a hole in this kick plate, in the back of course. Best way to do it, just half an inch away from the side panel and from the base, and you should be okay. You could also go with a half an inch drill bit as well, and that will do it for the holes. Okay, so you're gonna get your power supply, and we're gonna run the cord through the hole. And now you have your cord coming from the base. You just simply push it through the down tube until it comes out on the other end. Okay, so we have the cord out on the other end of the down tube, and we have the down tube going into the hole in the bottom, and then you're going to get the down tube cover. You may have to loosen up the screw in order for it to go in. Okay, go back. No, go back. Okay. As you can see, we have the down tube covering the wire, and then we have the down tube cover, and we're going to tighten up the cover using the screw that came with it. Okay, so we went ahead and tightened up the screw, and as you can see, your down tube is pretty tight, covering the wires.